South Korea network burst read 1-week weight loss recipe, measured thin 10 pounds. Source, Fitness Guide. Recently, the Korean network has a week of weight loss menu, with high protein and low fat. The daily calorie is only about 1,000 carbs. Some netizens share their own photos and mix with simple exercise, and they lose 10 pounds. The Korean network's red-hot weekly weight loss recipe is a menu of 7 days a week. First day. On the first day, the chicken breast and sweet potato are the main mixes. They are all helpful foods that reduce fat and increase muscle. Breakfast, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 sweet potato, 1 cup of milk. Lunch, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 part of sweet potato, 1 part of broccoli, about 40 grams. Dinner, 1 chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 sweet potato. The next day. Rye bread contains fine starch compared to the general surface, which is more suitable for eating during weight loss, but it should be noted that there is still fat such as butter, and you can't eat too much. Breakfast, 2 pieces of rye bread, about 200 grams, 1 sweet potato, 1 apple. Lunch, chicken breast salad, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 banana. Dinner, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, vegetable salad can be seasoned with a little oily vinegar. Third day. Generally, white rice is just refined starch. It is a big enemy for weight loss. It is recommended to change into brown rice, black rice and other grains to be healthier and lower calories. Breakfast, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 cup of milk. Lunch, 1 bowl of black rice, miso soup, kimchi. Dinner, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 banana. Fourth day. The same low-fat menu based on chicken breasts. The calorie intake in a day is only about 1,000 calories, but it is quite low, but you can still eat enough, don't go hungry. Breakfast, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 apple, 1 cup of milk. Lunch, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 2 sweet potatoes. Dinner, 1 chicken breast, about 100 grams, 10 small tomatoes. Fifth day. The fifth day of breakfast is very rich, but the amount of dinner is relatively small. The metabolic rate will be lower at night, so this is the most recommended weight for general weight loss. Breakfast, 1 bowl of black rice, seaweed soup, kimchi. Lunch, 2 pieces of chicken breast, about 200 grams, vegetable salad can be seasoned with a little oily vinegar. Dinner, chicken breast salad, sweet potato 1. Sixth day. The heat of this day is also quite low. It is only 1,500 calories all day long. Adding a little oil and vinegar to the salad not only increases the flavor, but also helps to promote gastrointestinal motility. Breakfast, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 2 pieces of banana, 1 part of broccoli, about 40 grams. Lunch, 1 bowl of black rice, 1 part of bean sprouts, about 40 grams, kimchi. Dinner, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, vegetable salad can be seasoned with a little oily vinegar. Seventh day. The last day is a high-protein-based menu, which is more helpful for weight loss than a fat-reduced diet. Breakfast, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, 1 part of broccoli, about 40 grams, 1 apple. Lunch, 1 piece of chicken breast, about 100 grams, vegetable salad can be seasoned with a little oily vinegar, 2 sweet potatoes. Dinner, 5 boiled protein. In addition to this recipe, it is better to use some sports, such as basic sit-ups. Great sports, at least half an hour a day, can accelerate the slimming effect.